Hello, I'm going to open my Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 tablet. So I'm showing you my old tablet. This is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A. So the old one works perfectly fine, but it has a little bit of a scratch and a crack. The case. A small black elastic case. For my Samsung Galaxy Tab A7, this is a new tablet. 10-inch. So the back is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Packaging includes a wall USB charger, quick start guide, and the Samsung terms and conditions. If you open the package, use or retain the device. Use accept Samsung terms and conditions. And this is my tablet case, fit and grip. And this is how you put it on the tablet. How you open it, you turn it on the back, and you take the tape from the side off. So when you open it, you keep the box looking the way it looks. There's tape on the side also. So I took all the tape off, and now I'm going to open it. How the inside looks. There's the tablet, and this is the box. This is a tablet wrapped up. Underneath is terms and conditions and the charger. So here are the terms and conditions. It's read this document before operating the mobile device. The guide, the Samsung Tab A7 guide. This is the model of the tablet. The camera, charging port, volume, and side key. Port and the charger. And so this is the Samsung account. Switching made simple. Essential apps and more information. On the back shows a quick reference guide, Samsung Care, learn more, and about device. It says pick the time and place and a team member you will meet with to set troubleshoot, repair, and replace the product. Learn more. Questions. Visit us at community.samsung.com. Here's the tablet. So you open it by loosening the plastic. It's sticky, but don't tear the tablet up. This is how the back looks. It's shiny, and the screen looks really nice. And the camera, the Samsung simple screen. I'm gonna open the case. And so there's plastic in the inside, have to take it out. And so this is the inside. This is where your tablet's supposed to go. Take the plastic and the paper out. Secure this. This is how it looks. Tablet down, and you pull the things back to fit the sides of